What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Performance Forged Wheel. Add both style and performance to your custom touring model with these unique open split 5-spoke wheels. The wheel is forged from a block of aerospace-grade 6061T6 aluminium, making them lighter and more durable than if they were cast wheels. They are also resistant to corrosion and oxidation, so your wheels will look their best for years to come. The forged wheel is tested to Harley-Davidson's high standards for both durability and finish. They are styled to match with Wave Rotors, which are sold separately. The 19-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel are available in gloss black with machined highlights, gloss black with orange anodized highlights, and mirror chrome. Installation requires separate purchases of model-specific wheel installation kit, sprocket hardware, and brake rotor-specific hardware. Check the website to make sure these wheels are compatible with your touring model Harley-Davidson. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.